So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the true typography for scale for your designs that will really help you. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for typescale.com. You can see the right URL. If I pronounce it wrong, just simply go to this website, and once you go over there, here you're going to find the multiple sizes that are available as the fonts, and here you can see their exact sizes. You can change the type of the size of which you want to extract, like if you want the pixel size or the rem size or the pointer size. You can get all those, and you can directly compare how it gonna look at different size scales, so that your website will look efficient. You can directly get the css for this one as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.